Good morning. This is All India Radio Kohima. The morning news read by Jonas Yentan. Deputy Chief Minister and Home Minister Y. Bulletin yesterday said both the Assam and Nagaland governments have agreed to withdraw forces from their respective outposts in the Assam and Zirangong border area and maintain a peaceful atmosphere in the border areas. He said this during a meeting held with Ao Senden, Zirangong Union, Northern Simi Union, and Zirangong Naga Youth Front at Jungtia Yimsen under Mugukchung district. Bulletin, however, said that Nagaland will not withdraw unless and until Assam withdraws its forces. Bulletin also called upon the people to remain calm despite the hardships faced and urged them to extend support to the government. Mugukchung Superintendent of Police Vishal informed that Mugukchung Police, in coordination with 2nd NAP and IR, have placed security forces in strategic locations along the border. With reports of imposing economic blockade from Assam side, the SP assured that if required, the police will provide escorts to Nagaland-bound vehicles carrying essential commodities, even to the extent of reaching the depot. Meanwhile, Zirangong Naga Youth Front has submitted a memorandum to the Deputy Chief Minister. The memorandum appealed for establishing a border observation post in all the volatile areas bordering Assam and to deploy at least one battalion of IRP in the Zirangong area at the earliest in order to prevent future border encroachments from the Assam side. Director General of Police Nagaland T. John Longoma yesterday launched a booklet titled Clinical Management Protocol COVID-19, sponsored by Nagaland Police Risk Insurance Scheme (NPRIS) Police Headquarters during a program for the distribution of COVID-19 medicines and supplement kits to all units under the Police Department in Nagaland. The department, along with its Welfare Society, initiated COVID Emergency Relief Fund from NPRIS and sanctioned 35 lakhs rupees to the department for procurement of COVID-19 medicines and supplement kits with monetary assistance to units under police department, keeping in mind the health services of the police personnel in general and families in particular. Speaking on the occasion, Longoma informed that out of 2,338 COVID-19 cases detected in the police department, 2,291 personnel have recovered, while 11 personnel were victims of COVID. The DGP also appealed to all to get vaccinated in order to stop the spread of the infection. To commemorate the World Day Against Trafficking in Persons, the Nagaland State Social Welfare Board, State Resource Centre for Women 181, Women Helpline, Saki One Stop Centre and Mahila Shakti Kendra jointly collaborated to develop information, education and communication (IEC) materials in all the local languages of the state. The material includes information about the types of human trafficking, how the victims can get entangled, rights of the victim, legal mechanism, and also service mechanism in place. Officially launching the IEC materials yesterday, Commissioner and Secretary Social Welfare Department Sarah R. Ritze cautioned the public to be vigilant about the modus operandi of traffickers who lure vulnerable people with false promises of better life by offering jobs and education. Ritze expressed hope that the IEC materials translated in local dialects will help in creating awareness at the grassroots and encouraged the churches, NGOs, civil societies and community leaders to participate in disseminating the information on this pertinent issue. Nagaland yesterday reported 60 new COVID cases, taking the total number of confirmed cases to 27,713. The state also registered 75 recovered cases and 5 deaths related to the infection. With this, the total number of recovered cases in the state reached 25,098, while 547 people have already succumbed to the infection. There are 1,274 active corona cases. And as the nationwide free COVID-19 vaccination campaign at government facilities for those above 18 years is going on, we advise our young listeners to get vaccinated and also to help others get vaccinated. We also advise our listeners not to lower the guard as COVID-19 remains a threat to our health. Please stay at home unless it is essential to go out and continue to follow these 3 simple steps. Wear a face mask, maintain 6 feet for social distancing, focus on hand and face hygiene. For any COVID-related information and guidance, contact national helpline numbers 011 2397 8046 and 1075 and state helpline number 1800 345 0019. With that, we come to the end of the morning news. Have a nice day.